Hi guys, my name is Eugene. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another self-portrait. Why? Because that's what my YouTube channel is about. We're going to do a short lighting technique, and what that means is the area furthest away from the camera will be lit and the area closest to the camera will be dark. I'm going to position my lights about 45 degrees behind me. We're going to angle our body a little towards it, and the goal is to get the right side of my face lit and have a nice fall off into the front side while keeping it dark as well. I know I'm wearing a hoodie in July, but I wanted black on black. We're also gonna add a fill light later on towards the front, and I wanted that to have like a really cool color, so I'm thinking maybe red. Hopefully we get something good, get our hinge lit and get our IG lit. All right, let's get started. So I set my ISO at 320, my aperture's at 2, and my shutter's at 160. Let's just do some lighting tests. Let's turn off the lights for this one. It's a little too far back, so I'm gonna move my light a little closer to me and more to the left. What I'm gonna do is set up this phone tripod. Can see what I'm looking at, and then it can also help me trigger my camera while freeing up my hands, because I think that was the problem I was having last time. Trying to get a cool guy photo. All right, I wanted to play around with a few different poses. Sometimes I put too much pressure on myself to have to get something good, so I made it a point to have fun and try my best with this photo shoot. Photography should be fun, whether you're working with a client or you're in a dark room taking photos of yourself. I use a GVM RGB LED light and use the red color as my fill. You can also use another flash with a colored gel in front of it to get the same results. Look at me guys, I think I'm feeling myself. Sometimes it takes a little while for you to get used to your camera, and it takes a few shots, but the key is to not give up. Just keep going. You'll get something, I promise. So I closed the barn doors on the LED, and I was able to get these red light strips. I thought it would look cool to position myself so the strips hit my eyes. I was getting a bit of glare on my glasses, so I took them off hoping I would get a cool catch light. All right guys, I think that was plenty to work with. Hopefully we have something in there, maybe 1 or 2 photos that we could post up. Anyways, next week I'll show you how to edit them. So today we'll just go through them and then kind of pick out our selects. So the short lighting technique is a pretty fun light setup. It's, fairly easy to do. All you really need is 1 or 2 lights, and you could really get creative with it. Here are some of the images from this session. Yeah, I don't think I did too bad this time around. I'm liking a lot more images than I thought I would. I think I'll do a reel for this image, so head to my IG to check that out. For this image, I'll do a full tutorial next week, so tune in again. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, leave a comment on how I can make my channel better and more entertaining for you.